government's 11 pledges to 2024
I think the answer was already given the previous day by Priyanka Gandhi. Why go on about the past? You are accountable for the present, for what's happening today and tomorrow. Focus on the present, give Indians a better future. What has happened in the past is history. We can let historians debate it. I myself have written about all these things. But I'm not entering into that debate because for me, right now, the government is responsible for the condition of Indians today, for the workings of the Constitution today, and, frankly, for the future of our young people. We are a youthful country which needs to dream of a better future. Let's focus on that. I won't comment beyond that. I think the important thing is to focus on the positives of our country today and tomorrow. Let's not dwell too much on all these things. I'm impressed by the list of various initiatives he has undertaken, but he has obviously omitted all the negatives that we have been pointing to, from the hollowing out of the autonomy of our institutions, the misuse of the UAPA, the demonization of minorities, the lack of social justice for many people and the poor, and finally, there is absolutely, sadly, no doubt that there is a real problem facing our country today in terms of youth unemployment. The young people, really, they even come out of college and they don't get jobs. We have the highest level of youth unemployment in the world. This is something that we really have to address. So talking about one yojana after another, shabash, well done, but sadly it has not addressed all the difficulties our people are facing. I'm relieved because there are too many flaws with the concept as it's presented at the moment. It fails to take into account why we even have the kind of slipping schedules we have today, after we had begun in 1952 as one nation, one election. 52, 57, 62, 67, all the elections that the government wants to be on the same day were on the same day. It is only because governments fell, coalitions fell apart, people lost votes of confidence, or governments were dismissed and they had to come back another time, or a government decided to call an early election. All these reasons can still happen in the future. So you go through the great trouble and expense of calling this new scheme, you may end up in exactly the same position within 20 years, which is what happened earlier. So the government needs to defend its own thinking a little better. Thank you.